Alrighty, guys. Good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. We are live now on Zoom, on YouTube. Markets just opened here, and wanted to first go over our current positions, guys. SPG up over 4% right here again. This one's easily going to be heading for 75. I'm going to be looking to add to our SPG trade. Visa's taking off here. Hilton, as you guys can see, Hilton's having another nice run here. That was all the way up over 85 here. A little pullback from open here. And let's see what the markets are doing. S&P's up 22. Dow's up about 247. And NASDAQ's up about 40 points here. So give the market about 15 minutes. First things first, 3M, guys. Most of us are in 3M from a while back. 3M's nearing 160 a share now. We have the June 19th Expo. We have the 165 strike. I'm going to be looking to do something with that within the next few days here. I might be adding to that position, or I might make another trade on 3M here. But that one's looking great. I want to see that break above resistance right around 160, 164-ish, going back to the 28th. SPG still on the climb there, $67. It's up 6% now, guys. This one is going to keep running. Remember what got me to jump into this trade here? We saw a call sweep come in for $2.5 million. Okay, this is what they usually do. I want you guys to understand this concept so you could see what we're looking at in the future here. But so SPG, what these larger funds do, they come in, they buy that $2.5 million worth of calls on SPG. Let's say they have a $100 million fund, right? They're going to buy $2.5 million worth of calls, and then they come in and they start buying shares every day. And then their $2.5 million call is now worth $10 million, and look at the capital they used to make that.
Is that legal?
I'm not sure. I know with shares, like penny stocks, pump and dump, but derivatives are different. I'm not sure. That's something to look into, to be honest. But guys, look at 3M. It's at 160 now. Continuing to break higher there. What a run. SPG's up 25%, that trade we made yesterday. I'm up about $1,000 on that trade right now. And Visa. Let's take a look at Visa. What's that?
Adam, 150% return.
On what?
On BAC.
Wow, nice job, Adam. Great job. Hilton's starting to climb here again. Let's look at today 1 minute charts. Accounts climbing nicely. Only up about 1,500 though so far here today. The SPY hedge down 620 on the SPY hedge. That's probably why. Amazon. Let's see what Amazon's doing here. If that doesn't start to move, I'll exit out of that today. But I think we should see a good move on Amazon. There's a nice candle on it. Hilton still continuing breakout momentum. As you guys see, here's a 930 candle. Came right down to that 10, starting to break higher. Let me change this off of the extended hours. I think I have that on here. No? Okay. No extended hours there. There goes Amazon. There we go. Now up 2,000. Hilton is rocketing higher again today. You remember that Hilton trade we made in the other account here? Let's see what that is at. Here we go. There goes Amazon. 24.73, 24.74. SPG's up 5.5%. Hilton just broke 85. We are looking good. Let's see if Visa's participating. Visa's at that 10 right now. Hilton. All right, so now That other Hilton trade. Remember that Hilton trade I made in the Thinkorswim account to try to get used to it on the iPad Pro here? Got nice profits on that, but is there a way to... Oh, here we go. Is there a way... okay. 23% gain. I was going to ask you, where can I see that? I like the setup, actually, on Thinkorswim. Once you understand where to go on there, it's a really nice setup.
Oh, yeah.
Visa coming right down to that 10. Let me see where the... There we go. Look at that. That's amazing. I love seeing messages like that. Look at Umar. Where's that first guy? Adam, I'm over 2K, started at 1K.
Adam almost quit on Friday.
Yeah, Adam wanted to quit. Adam, you wanted to quit last week, remember?
He wasted 6 hours for a $10 profit.
It comes
That's
along.
6 hours of learning.
Umar did incredible. He started with $2,000, ended a month later with $10,000. Nice. Come on, Amazon. Hilton 8503. Let's look at the 3-month daily on Hilton. See if that's one we're going to add to. If it breaks this resistance right here, I'm going to be adding to the Hilton trade. I'll probably make a shorter term Hilton trade. If we could break above, let's just say 86, that'll give us plenty of room there. If Hilton could break above 86, let's put a, that's the one thing I love about E-Trade. I could go to alerts and I could create an alert here for Hilton. So what I'm gonna do is I can put in HLT, and then watch this. On if you guys have E-Trade Pro, I could put in Hilton. If the price is greater than, I don't want to get less than, so I'll uncheck that, clear that out. If the price is greater than 86.00, send me an alert, say bye. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, gun sales.
What's that? Oh yeah, gun sales. What's that, Umar? What are you up on that Smith and Wesson trade? What's the ticker symbol for that Smith and Wesson? I never traded.
SBWI?
SVWI?
SB, I think so. I think that's what they changed it to. No, not SBWI.
SWB. They just changed that ticker symbol. SWBI. Oh, it's down 5% today. They were talking about... Where's that article? I asked you to post it on the timeline, did you?
Let me send it to you.
That was an amazing article there. They were saying... What did they say?
Gun license sales were at its highest for May.
And they were up, what, 70-some percent?
5%.
There's a new article that came out that said gun sales were up 70%, 70-some percent, and they expect that to continue into the fall. They can't keep up. So I want to look at SWBI. I also want to look at some penny stocks. Some penny, but when I say penny stocks, I mean anything under $10. I'll take a look at those. Hilton, Amazon, NTZ. Not doing too much just yet. Only a couple minutes into the open. Diamond looks like that wants to pop off that 10 there. Watching that. 3M 158.89. Hilton's right around 85. I just want to watch Amazon here take off today. Hilton trade's doing great. SPG trade's doing great. CCL's starting to climb here a little bit. Amazon's not doing anything yet. Let's take a look at CCL. There goes Diamond. Let's put Q's up here. So when Diamond's climbing, you're going to see that 3M climb. Let's see. Q's bouncing off that 20 there. That's good. Now let's see Amazon participate here. SPG, I'm up 25%. I know that's going to be one next week. I'll probably be up 100% on. Thinking about adding to that one today. SPG, that Simon Property Group. Our July 85 strike Colin Hilton's back in the green overall. Nice gain on that now, 5%. That's for the July 17th, the 85 strike. I want to add to Hilton. I don't see any August expos though on Hilton option chain. Let's take a look at that. Andrew Richardson, Oxy. Let's take a look at Oxy. Where the hell is our coffee from Starbucks?
Stephen, a couple of questions on the current conditions we find ourselves in. Let's start with the social unrest and the concern.
Yeah, she says, oh, it's in front of your door.
Really?
I hate when they do that, drop it off like that.
So they have a selection now. Meet at the door.
Yeah. There we go. There goes Amazon. Come on. I think we're going to have a nice climb today.
Oh, big spike.
Yep. Big spike. We got to get your microphone set up here.
I can do it from the computer.
There we go. Just got our Starbucks coffee to start the day. It was late. Put Hilton back on it today, 1 minute. What one did Andrew Richardson want to take a look at? Oxy, right? That'll likely be a great one. That's a good long-term trade. Halliburton's continuing to look great though too, but Oxy definitely has more opportunity. There goes 3M again. Visa's finally starting to climb here again.
USO's up a little bit today.
Yeah, not too much though on USO. That SPG, I keep every time I look over to the other screen here where the positions thing is tab, just keeps rising. That SPG, I gotta add to that. Hilton Trade's almost up about 10% now overall. Well, we're in a couple Hilton Trades. I'm in one in the Thinkorswim account. I'm in one in the E-Trade account. Let's see. Big green on Visa. Let's see if it could continue that break out there, Tyler. Okay, trade idea for SPG. Yeah, I'm gonna do that with you here, Avilio. Let's see here. Option chain. That SPG trade, that's not one I want to do short term. That's one I want at least October monthly. Even July monthly might be fine there. October though is going to be great. 70 strike. What did we pick up our? Let's see. We have this 60 strike. We paid $11.90 for. Carnival Cruise Line's taking off. Up another 300 on Carnival Cruise Line now. Come on, Amazon. Start that run. Once that starts to run, it's going to have a nice move to that 2,500. SPG. So as we could see, so let's do annotation on this one here. So as you guys could see, we're going to have 75 as our first target. Okay. Our second target is going to be 100. So, if we have an area right what did I just do here? What's going on with this annotation on Zoom here? Let me see where the Zoom. There we go. That should work now. There we go. So this is going to be our target profit area.
My reputation was trashed online. I felt completely helpless. My entire career and business were in jeopardy. I called Reputation Defender.
Take control of your online reputation. Get your free reputation report card at Reputation Defender.
But now here's the thing. This is going to be at least, I'd say 3 to 6 months before it does that. So when I'm looking at a trade, that's what I'm thinking about. How long do I think it's going to take to get to that 75-100 target profit area? How long do I think it's going to take to get to that target profit area? We just had a big... Let me get the... Here we go. You guys see, here was the big BDM cycle here. Then it flattened out. Here's the no trade zone. I thought I must be colorblind there. All right, so we're just breaking out of that consolidation box now in SPG. So, like I said, our first target here, $75. That's going to be an easy hit, I think, by easily by the end of this month, maybe even by June monthly expo. 100, you know, I don't think it could hit that by July. August, possibly, if things go well. Here we go, guys. Look at over here. While I'm doing this, I'm also watching on my screens here and watching Q's take off. Hilton's continuing to climb here. Look at these moves we're seeing. Alrighty, so going back here now. So we're going to need, look at Amazon taking off there. Sorry for the distraction, but we're in a nice Amazon trade that's now in the green for the day. Look at how quick she just went from 24.70 to 24.77 there. Almost an 8-point climb there in just 2 minutes. So when I say Amazon could easily hit that 2,500, I really think it's going to do that today or tomorrow, if the markets continue this pop here. Nasdaq's, you see Nasdaq up here top right on my screen where I'm circling? Nasdaq's trailing the Dow there by about half. So anyway, going back to this now. So what I'm going to be looking at, so I'm saying, okay, that's going to need at least 3 to 6 months. So I'm going to be looking at minimum October 16th monthly expo on SPG. Let's take a look at that. So if we pick up the 65 strike call, we could pick that up for about 1032. That's not bad there. You could pick up, you know, a contract or two of that. I think I might do that one there with the Avilio. I like this one, the 65 strike. Not too much volume. 60 strikes even better though, in my opinion. Break even 73, you're only 7 points away. I mean, SPG is up almost 7% again today, guys. You know, this one's a mover. You know, this is in breakout momentum. It's just starting that breakout momentum cycle and phase here. So I definitely want to take an opportunity here. Hilton trades now up over 10% overall. The other Hilton trades up 27%. You guys remember I've been talking about Hilton. Been talking about thinking about closing out that SPY hedge is worthless right now. All right, where are we doing over here? Is SPG. I'm looking at the positions here. We are up nicely for the day. $2,500 gain for the day so far. If Amazon could start participating, that'll go up a couple thousand really quick. So let's see, October 16th. I like the 60 strike, a little bit more open interest there. You know, you got a nice spread there, 1260, 1340. But here's the thing, if we pick up this, let me annotate on this so we could show you guys how. So right here, if we pick up the 60 strike, right? We pick up that 60 strike for 13 bucks. 13 plus 60 equals 73. So 73 is our break even. All right, now we add another 13 for 100% gain. So break even, B plus P, which B stands for break even, P stands for premium paid. So 73 plus 13 equals 86. 86, we have a 100% return. So what do we think here are the chances of SPG getting 86 bucks by that October 16th monthly expo? Well, 86. It's only about 20 points higher. She was just at 50 bucks, you know, middle of May here. And economy's reopening. These are the malls. Economy's reopening. What is it now? It's June. So that's still 4 months away. So past 4 months, you go back 4 months here. That takes you all the way back to before this even began. So definitely enough time with that October monthly expo. Now, do we want to go with the 60 strike or 65 strike? So now if we went with the 65 strike, That's going for, how much is that going for? Let me move this option chain down a little bit. That's going for 10.18. Okay, so now we got to calculate which is going to be the better strike for us. So 65 plus 10. We'll just put 10 there, make it even. So 65, 10 equals 75, break even. And then another 10 is 85. So actually with the 65 strike, we needed to drop, climb a little less there than the 60 strike. So it's fine to either pick up the 60 or 65 strike. I'm going to, let's see here. I'm going to pick up the 65. I'll pick up the 65 with you. Let's see here. I'll pick up 2 extra contracts with you on this Avilio for the October 16th. Let's see if we could get in. I think we could get in for less than 10.35. Let's see if we could get in for 10.30. Buy to open. Place trade. I always immediately go right to order status. See the execution status. Hilton's still rising there. There goes Amazon taking off, guys. It's in breakout momentum. You see Amazon. Here's the NTZ zone. No trade zone. Breakout momentum, 1020 cross. Continuing that breakout momentum. Right now it's holding that 10. So let's see how many cycles or phases she could hold that 10. So here's one. Broke out, and then it pulled back down to that 10. Broke out, pulled back down to that 10. Now let's see. Look at Hilton. Wow, look at Hilton run, guys. What is going on with Hilton? She's almost at 86 bucks right now. Our Hilton trade just shot up $1,300. One of our Hilton trades up $1,300. The other one's up $500 on Thinkorswim here. We have the 80 strike call for July 20th. Or, I'm sorry. The 80 strike call for July 17th on Thinkorswim. And then in E-Trade here, we have the July 17th 85 strike as well. 2 different prices, though. Up 3,000 today right now as markets continue to climb. So now, going back to this one here, SPG. She just shot up. She was at 1030 before. I'll put in an order at 1050. Or wait, here's an order right up here. So let me just change this one. Change. 10. Markets are still climbing here. Buy to open, 1050. Place trade. Live. Still not executed. Let me go in there now and change that. I'll bump it up to 60. They're the ones that usually they go by, I think, 5 or 10 cents increments. Pending, and it's completed. There we go. SPG, October 16th, 65 strike call. We are in, executed at 10.60 per contract. That's our second SPG trade. So our first SPG trade's the January 15th, 2021, 60 strike call. That's up almost 30% right now. And now we just made another trade on SPG, picking up the 65 strike calls for 1060. And these are longer term trades. I want you guys to know that. You know, these are ones that we're going to be holding for probably at least a month, maybe a month and a half. So don't come out tomorrow if it's down 1% and you know, say something about that. These,
75 to 100.
yeah, first target 75, second target 100. Look at Amazon breaking out again. Look at that candle, 24.77. The stop, wow, look at Amazon run, 24.78. Stop on Amazon's going to be,
No, SPG.
oh, yeah, yeah, that's what I meant. SPG, look at Q's continuing to run there, Amazon. Let me get these annotations off here. Guys, if you want to take a picture of this stuff before I clear it out, just do it quick. Let's see, where is annotate? Okay, so we are in that. Visa's starting to climb here, 3M.
What's your stop on SPG?
Stop on SPG is going to be Amazon 24.79. That's a nice day trade on Amazon right now. Stop on SPG is going to be, let's say 56. I don't think there's any chance of that getting down there unless there's a major catastrophe in the United States. But with that being a longer term trade, that's why we're putting that stop there lower. Wow. Up $4,000 right now for the day. Started when the market first opened, I was only up about 800. I'm like, God, you know what the hell? Come on. You know, now that things are starting to move, we're getting a nice pop here. Hilton is doing incredible. Look at Hilton, 85.76. Amazon, 24.79. There goes Hilton, still climbing. That Amazon June 5th call we got yesterday, that's up $400 now. Needed that one to cooperate here. Now, if we could get to 2,500 today, that Amazon trade's going to be in the green today. Hilton, SPG. You know what? I'm going to close out our June 19th RCL Royal Caribbean cruise. We're in the green on that. You know, we were down 90% on that trade, so let's just get that the hell out of this account already. Hilton's still on the go. $3M 158.88. Let's put this one on SPG. Want to see Visa have a nice pop here. SPG's up 7% nearly. It's up $5 today. So if you get another five, you guys want to see how we could calculate that October 16th 65 if we get to 75? Or you guys just know we're going to have a nice gain if it gets to 75 there. I could calculate that for you guys, but you guys watch that just about daily. Hilton's, look at Hilton. More new highs of the day on Hilton. There goes 3M. Markets are rising again here. Dow, 26,016. Dow just broke 26K. I think we're going to see 27.
They said that she was going to bounce at a record pace, right?
I think we'll see 27K by June monthly.
At a
Well,
record
2 weeks, yeah.
Oof. Oof.
Look at SPG go. It's now up 7.25%. I'll put this on it today, 1 minute. Look at that breakout momentum here now. You guys see SPG? Look at using that 20. Look at that. We got an alert on Hilton. Remember that alert we just made? Hilton just broke above $86 a share.
Nice.
Our alert is going off on E-Trade Pro here. An alert condition has been met. Right here. Here's the alert. All right. Let's go take a look. Wow, 86.12 now. Look at that. Hilton's up $2,000 for me today. That is a nice day for Hilton.
Let's go, Hilton.
I told you, you know, like if you look at this 3-month daily chart, let's put Hilton on the big screen here. HLT. Hilton, 86.13. 3-month daily chart on Hilton. This is when you make money. The people who are scared, they're the ones that are, you know, They don't make anything as a trader. You know, this is when you got to go. Hilton here, $90 to $100 target. Let's zoom out a little bit more on this one. I mean, look at that collapse there from COVID. We're just now getting up. Easy $90 target here. So you could look for a $4 climb here within the next, July Expo there. So Hilton, if this holds above 86 today, I'm going to be adding to Hilton. It's up 3% for the day. And you guys see. So you know how I always say, the options usually... let me put this up here so I can take a picture and show you guys what the heck we're talking about here. Where's my snipping tool?
Mr. Mayor, it's Sarah. What's your assessment of the damage to local businesses and what are you doing for them?
So you see now, 86.20. She's still running big. So you see now, here's Hilton, right? Let me put on. What's Facebook at? 230? Not doing anything? HLT. Okay, so Hilton now. It's up 3.12% for the day, right? 86.20. Take a look now at the option today.
Mr. Mayor, it's David Faber. Prior to this social unrest, the concern of a lot of cities across the country was on their budgets, given falling tax revenues as a result of the lockdown. I'm curious, is that still an issue for you? I know Ohio is not particularly
Profit and loss today. So the stock is up 3%, right? So you guys could see right here, Hilton's up 3.14%. Our option for it's up 30%. It's usually 10 times what you're doing here. This is a longer term trade, July 17th, but that's what I mean. You got a 3% move in the stock, a longer term trade, you're up 30% on that. This is just one of our Hilton trades, And Hilton's still on the climb there, 86.23. $86.25 on Hilton, up 21% on the Hilton on that one now. The other one's up, wow, on the Thinkorswim account, 680. Up almost 2,200 on Hilton today. Just that. There she goes, another breakout. SPG is rocketing higher here. That new trade we just made on SPG is up another 5%. That first SPG trade we made yesterday, that's up 34%. I just want Amazon to fucking do something here, That's the only one that's lagging. It's really pissing me off. What were we just going to look at here? SPG. There goes Q's again. Let's see Q's now on Amazon take off. Here's SPG. Wow, it's up over 8% now, SPG.
8%?
It's up 8.5% almost here, SPG. It's up $5.24. Look at that take off, guys. I'm telling you, that's going to be an easy $75 target. Easy. 75 and 100. I'm up $5,000 now for the day.
From 4 to 5 just now?
Yep.
Wow.
That SPG trade we just made, that one's up 7% now. Oh, look at what's going on now. Look at the news that always comes out. U.S. is suspending passenger flights of Chinese carriers. No Chinese planes are allowed to come in the United States.
Trade war.
Look at Amazon rocketing higher there. Wow, what a climb. Wow, look at this move in the account today. Unbelievable. I want to see that Amazon run here. Nice. That's definitely got some action there. Amazon, I think, is going to have a nice run. There goes Visa. Visa's back above 197. Yo, if anyone, I only have the two monitors here, so if anyone's saying anything in the trade room, just give me a shout out.
All right, part of the broader story for sure. Phil Vogt, thank you. After the break, Campbell Soup CEO Mark Klaus on earnings this morning, also on civil unrest and the impact of COVID-19.
Efren, Marla's asking, does Efren make trades for himself? Are you a full-time trader there?
Yeah.
Yeah. He never talks to me, though, about the trades he's making.
No, not. I'll tell you when I'm in the church. I usually just piggyback the ones.
He usually piggybacks ones we make.
Or get into ones that I remember buying.
Avilio, you're in the Hilton trade? Yeah. You get him win as well? In and out of win, nice. Look at 3M take off there again. Oh, I'd love to see that 3M trade come back. Oh, Elias made 120% on win.
Oh, he said he got in like 3 days ago.
Let's see. Josh said back to even on the year, was up 3,500 in the count, got cocky, lost about 7,000 to go in the red. Started doing more conservative trade spreads, longer expos, now slowly starting to build up again. Nice job, Josh. Let's see. When you have a minute, Dr. Reeb says, when you have a minute, check out work. Is he still in here? Yeah, he's still with us. Dr. Reber was in surgery yesterday. Let's see here. Work. Look at SP. Wow, I just put up, I was just looking at the website for what? A minute? 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I put the website down. I take a look over the account. 4,600. Hilton is rocketing higher. Work. All right, let me see work here. Look at freaking SPG up almost 9% now. All right, work. That's Slack. Wow, look at that continuing to break out there. That one's going to be a good one here as well, I think. Just like the Shopify, just like the Zoom, all these work from home things now. They're really starting to take off. Dr. Reber, I like this one. Let's take a look at the option chain. First, let's take a look at 1 year. We still got, this is going to hit all-time highs here. $42 all-time highs. I think we could do a nice trade on work here. I was waiting for Slack to start to take off a couple of months ago. Wasn't doing much, though. Wow, our first SPG trade's up almost 40% already. And we just made that yesterday on, and YouTube even got a part of that one. Alrighty, let's see. The biggest problem I have doing all this stuff like at once, is concentrating on the one thing, because I get distracted with the site, the trading.
Yeah, you got
There's so much going on. And then I look at one of my trades, it starts to take off. Then I start looking at the chart. I'm like, forgot about Dr. Reber here. Work. I'd go with July 17th for Slack. Work. Damn, they're pretty expensive, though. Here's a decent one. The 40 strike call for October 16th. Man, that Hilton trade is still rocketing higher. Hilton's going to be $90 next week. Actually, I think that might hit $90 this week. Hilton might get up to $100 by June monthly. I really think it could do that. I really do. Back to this one here, work. I like that October Expo there, and it's pretty cheap, to be honest with you. Cheaper, in my opinion, than July. So the 40 strike, going for about 6.6. I'll pick up 5 contracts to start off with what you hear on this Dr. Reeb. I like that setup. Alrighty, we are in work. I made a small $3,200 trade on that one for right now. Work, October 16th, 40 strike call. We are in execution at 6.60.
Target.
Target is going to be $50. Our stop is going to be 35. Look at Hilton go. Still running on Hilton. On Thinkorswim, is there somewhere on your thing that tells you what you're up for the year or anything?
Yes.
Show me that at lunch today, okay? I'm new to that Thinkorswim platform. I'm trying it out though because I've had so many problems with E-Trade, and I'm telling you, I love Thinkorswim here. From what I'm seeing so far. Hilton's still on the run. Unbelievable. How about SPG? Holy. That trade we just made on SPG, it's up 15% right now. Did you get in it?
No. Already. Too expensive.
Wow. Q's are starting to run here. I want to see Amazon do something. Amazon's only down $2. Should see a nice pop on Amazon here now, coming up in a couple seconds. There we go. There she goes. Work trades up 2%. Hilton trades up 25%. The other Hilton trade is up, wow, 45% on the other Hilton trade. SPG's up 10%. That one we just made. This SPG trade from yesterday is up 39%. Want to see Amazon run here. Carnival Cruise Line's up $450. That October 16, 20 strike call we have on CCL is almost in the green. Okay, so RCL, that was sold. We executed that, sent out that alert on the app.
I don't even remember when you did it.
RCL? That was 2 months ago, I think.
Before me.
Huh?
Way before me.
That was before you?
I'm searching for it.
Maybe that was with Umar. Umar, were you working with me when I made that RCL trade? Oh, look at the iPhone. So I got the iWatch now, or whatever the hell it's called. I just got the trade alert, the app alert on my thing. It came up first. It comes up with our logo, and then it goes. That's awesome how that just did that. Damn, we got to give our tech team a shout out. That's nice. Look at Hilton go. Hilton's at $87. It's up over 4% now.
Go.
Oh, what a day. I'm now up almost 3,000 on Hilton for the day between the two trades. Remember I told you to trade challenge. It was $6. We said it's a little expensive, but did we send out the work trade?
Yeah.
That one's going to be a nice setup. Hilton, let's send out a tell P to send out an alert on Hilton. Hilton broke 87. We're looking for that 90 to 100 target by July Expo. It's in breakout momentum. It's using the 10 as support on the retracement periods. And I'm going to be adding to Hilton, I think, today. Remember, we just got the alert. It broke above 86. Now she's at 87. Wow, look at this account still go. I'm up over $5,000 right now.
Hello. Let's go.
Yeah, still continuing to run there. Looking good.
Presidency during the CEO meetings because I remember that moment where he introduced Campbell Soup and he said, good
Hello.
Hello?
Trump that is. What's your engagement level with the
Who is that?
you're looking for right now from President Trump in terms of leadership on this?
Who is that? Hello? There's Casey with us.
Oh, what's up?
She got her video on too. Hey, Casey, what's going on? Whoever was saying hello before, if you have a question, please feel free. Speak up.
Can you look at EXAS?
EXAS, absolutely.
Thank you. It looks like it's breaking out.
EXAS today 1 minute up 1.74%. That's looking good there. It's holding that 20. It's coming down to the 50 kind of there, but let's take a look at the daily chart now. Exact Sciences. She's coming right up to resistance now, right at around $90. Second target's going to be about 100. Let's see what the options look like. The option chain.
That's following the plan, Dave.
Oh, absolutely. Looks great here. See, what I'm looking at on this one is right here. So there's some short-term resistance. So it's like, okay, we got a couple of options here. Number one, we could jump into this trade right now on Exact Sciences, and we could have that first candle below. As you see here, it's been using that 20 on a daily chart here for on the pullback to support. So we could say first candle right below here is our stop. And then our target, obviously, it's likely going to struggle with the resistance right here, right around 90 for a couple of days. You see the size of these candles. If it had a big candle like that red one here, green one today, then I'd say it looks like she's going to have a nice breakout and reach that next target resistance, which is going to be 100. So we could get into a trade now and have our first target as 100, and then our stop be, let's see here, what's our stop? So our stop is going to be right at around 84. So that's a pretty tight stop there. And what you could do is get a longer term expo. Let's take a look at this. EXAS. And you could see we could pick up the, let's go with October 16th. We could do the July 17th if we wanted to. There's no problem with going with the July 17th. Let's see what the open interest total volume look like. July, October. So see, you pick up the 90 strike for July 17th. You needed it right around $100 to make the 100% return. So you could do one of two things. So this is what I was talking about you guys yesterday. I'm always analyzing, seeing is it better to go with a call or a spread here. So this one, the option premium to me, in my opinion, is pretty high. But again, that's July 17th Expo. Definitely still have some time. But here's the thing with Exact Sciences. Look at the size of these candles. To me, they're much smaller candles here. But July 17th, October 16th. I think July 17th would be fine. But instead of doing a call, I'd probably do something like a spread. Buy to open, sell to open. And we could create a vertical bull call spread here for the, let's say, July 17th expo. And let's take a look. We could do something ATM and slate out of the money, 87.50. 90 vertical spread. Now look at this. It's going for $1.20, right? Now, if it's going for $1.20, what's the max this could be worth? The difference between these two strikes is $2.50. So if we buy it for $1.20 here, the midpoint, if we buy it for $1.20 and the max it could be worth is $2.50, as long as Exact Sciences is above $90 a share, by that July 17th expo, this is going to be worth max gain. What's the max gain? If you bought it for $1.20, you sold it for $2.50. What's that? Let's see.
$1.30.
2.5 divided. What's that?
Well, it's $1.30, so it's a little bit over 100%.
It's 108%. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's not bad there. Would you rather have 108% and you only need the stock above 90? Or would you rather pick up the 90 strike call and you needed it at, basically $99.50 there to make 100%? So one of them you make 100% at $100. The other one you make 108% if it's above 90. So that's a no-brainer to me, right?
Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it, man.
No problem. I might jump into that one with you. I like that one. And then the thing with the spread here.
I have a cash account, though, so.
Oh, you have a cash account? You could upgrade that
Yeah.
easily, though, if you wanted to. They could do that in 2 minutes for you if you call them up. Who do you have, TD or E-Trade?
TD, I just got off a margin because it was limiting my day trading ability.
Oh, okay.
I have a very small account,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I have to keep it cash.
You know what else you could do? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you have a small account. Okay, I was going to say you could open up another account, just throw a couple grand in there and just have that one for spreads, That's an
I appreciate
option.
it, though. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
No problem. Let me know if you have any other questions, all right? That's a nice setup there, though. 250. It's only going for $1.20. That's not bad. But the thing is, the open interest and total volume there. But looks good. Amazon.
Underperforming S&P 500 during that period, still in negative territory so far this year. As for the top three holdings,
3M back up to 160. Yeah, so here's the thing. If 3M has another move like this today, like tomorrow or the next day here, that 3M trade is going to turn green. I'm telling you. We were down 99.9% on that trade, right? I was looking at that trade for, because that was one of our decent sized trades, And I'm like, it's down 99.9%. And now it's only down 67% and continuing to climb here, and plenty of time till Expo. So now it's in that breakout momentum. Now's the time I should be adding to that 3M, but I had how much in that trade? About 3,000 in that trade. So yeah, not a big trade, but some decent. SPG. Our SPG trade we made yesterday, up almost 50% now in one day. 50%. And that's for a long-term expo too. Could you imagine if we got the nearest expo date for that? Look at that large candle on Amazon there. I love that. Come on, keep that running. Don't fail at that 20 like you've been doing. I want to see that pop above that. Visa, 197, up 62 cents. That's a slow mover. We have the 200 call on that for the June Expo. I like that one there. Just not moving as fast as the other ones are that I like. Looking great here, though. What a day. Habla español. Andrew Richardson says Square at high of the day. Eddie said, Dave, order a pizza. Let's go. Eddie, that pizza still gave me problems this morning. Hilton's still running. Come on, Amazon. Boeing's up almost 6%. Look at SPG's up 11%. It's at almost $70.25.
Let's go.
Wow. Freaking believable. There goes Visa climbing. Qs are taking off again. Qs are lagging, so I want to see a double pop on Qs here. Wow. That count is soaring, guys. That new trade we just made on SPG is already up 15%. The one we made yesterday is up 48. Where is my trade room? Yum high a day. Wow, look at SPG going again. Another big climb on SPG. Man, unbelievable this run. Hilton's taking off again. Look at SPG. SPG, I only got 5. I have 8,000 in SPG. 8,000 in SPG. That's officially our largest trade now, followed by Hilton and Carnival Cruise Line. And Visa. Wow, SPG. Up 11.5% now, SPG. Amazon finally back above 24.71. It's only down $1 now for the day. Look at SPG running. Big run on SPG. SPG's nearing 71 now.
She's taking off.
That alert was sent out on SPG because I don't want... Wow, look at that move. We get another rally here. We could have a $10,000 day. A nice $10,000. We're only an hour into the day, and we're up over $5,000 now.
That's what we're gonna expect.
All right, so we just came back from Fort Lauderdale. We were at the beach for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. What's next? Bahamas? No, Virginia's. I don't know.
Summertime. Gotta keep it.
Bahamas.
Bahamas will be nice.
Casey shut off her video.
Uh-oh. She's hiding.
She's hiding. There we go. There it is. I thought she was slacking, pretending she was there. Look at SPG go. Really. That's incredible. Hilton, here comes Hilton, near highs of the day again.
But we quickly realized we needed a way to supplement our income.
Amazon might get a run in the afternoon here. That one should be popping like crazy.
I'm skeptical, so I did some research and called Coventry.
Q's are taking off again here. Let's see that breakout there on Q's. SPG just broke 71. 7106. Now 7114. 7115. SPG. Wow. Hilton, new highs of the day.
Coventry Direct, redefining insurance. The idea that you can work all and still be
That other Hilton trade in the TD Ameritrade account, the July 17th 80 strike call. We picked that up for, let me see. How on here do I find out what the hell I paid for it on Thinkorswim? It doesn't tell me.
Go to orders and then go to field and then change the date.
Order, filled, and then time. Where's the date? I don't know. You guys show me that later. I don't know how to find what I paid for it on Thinkorswim yet. Look at 3M just broke above 160. 160.21. That's going to be a good one there. If we could get another 5-point climb on that this week, we're going to be in the green. There we go. Last 7 days. Perfect.
I guess we'll do that.
Awesome. Thank you. Hilton, bot. Okay, we picked up the 80 strike call on Thinkorswim here. 80 strike call, July 17th. We picked that up for $6.70. 80 strike. Amazon wants to have that 1020 cross there coming up. MACD's already crossed.
Initially, just get your take on what we've seen so far from corporate America. The statements, some of the creation of
We got home last night around 3 a.m., so we are working at the house right now. Going to be in the office later. Didn't feel like going to the office at 3 a.m. Look at 3M go. Look at 3M take off. Look at 3M. 3M's really breaking out here
Go
big.
3M. Oof. I'm tied to that.
Our 3M trade's up 54% today.
Go.
It's up 54% today. That has one more day like this, that 3M trade's going to be in the green. Really, it's going to be in the green. Look at it go. 160.5 it just got up to.
Wow. Wow.
Yo, we should be picking up weeklies on 3M right now. Avilia's in attack mode on 3M there. Me personally, it's like I feel like I had some of my manhood taken away from 3M. You know, it's like 99% down. Let's look at the option chain for 3M. Yeah, let's get it back, right? Definitely looking good there. Market's pulling back a little bit here, though, so I'll wait on anything like that. Let's see.
we've had Merck CEO Ken Frazier, who's been very articulate on a lot of
Oh, look at that. The 160 strike call for June 12th, 296.
The first things that we have to come to terms with is that we've got a problem. There is racism.
How about for June 5th?
It exists. It's
Wow, so 163, you have 100% gain. What's today? Wednesday, right? That'd be tough to get there by, 2.5 days. See, to me, this one's a high risk, but it's looking great. I'm not going to personally do that, but
those companies are out there. I am really tired of people saying they cannot find qualified minority businesses to support. And the only times that we come out and support black businesses is when we feel like we're in turmoil or jeopardy. This should be
oh, maybe we could start running that thing for the insurance too.
the year where we're deciding.
Remind me to do that today. I definitely got to get that insurance.
Sarah, what specific policies or action do you think from the government right now?
That's something I'd like to pick up today. I didn't think I could get it now, though. Look at SPG climbing off that 10 again. 70.88. Hilton pulling back a little bit there, but that doesn't look like anything major coming here. Visa's holding that 50. There goes SPG again, another breakout, 71.04. New highs of the day on SPG, up 12% now on SPG. So that new SPG trade we just made up 17% now.
17 already.
Yep. And that SPG trade from yesterday, that one's up 52%.
He's going for 12.50 now. You got him in for 10.60, about $2.
Visa's getting a pop there again. What a day. Now, if we could have another day like this tomorrow, all-time highs again. I'll be at all-time highs again.
I don't see why not.
And I think members would be too. I didn't see anything crazy about any protests today. Did you guys? It wasn't as bad as yesterday when we were in or not yesterday, the day before when we were in Fort Lauderdale. Remember that? Woo.
Yeah.
Freaking helicopters are dropping tear gas on the crowds. It's like, wow. Like that's some serious stuff there. Like, I'm just here to go fishing, guys,
Yeah, no, right? Just
Don't bother me.
Wow, Vincenzo followed, love the trade plan, followed Zoom, breakout momentum, and now breakdown momentum. Made 114%
What did he? Let me see.
on the Zoom chat.
Oh, in the Zoom chat room?
When they do get home, they're multi-generational families that are in those homes.
So many chats here.
Their family members at risk
Vincenzo says,
of being able to stay home. And then in addition to that, you look at some of the neighborhoods here in Chicago,
Robert Clark said, I also made $1,400 on 2 Canadian stocks using the Mighty Dave system. Looked at a number of trades in the U.S. and Canadian, but they did not have been approved by Dave. Would not have been Dave approved. What is going on? My Bank of America is now in the green. Wow. We'll look at CVX there. Andre Beland. I feel like Trump and Andre Beland. Anyway, Vincenzo loved the trade plan, followed Zoom breakout momentum, and now BDM made 114%.
That's how easy it is to identify those two phases.
Vincenzo, is it easy for you to signify breakout momentum and breakdown momentum? Is it easy for you to follow our trade plan and trade system? Look at Q's breaking out here. Hilton, Man, it's going to be a great day. Great stuff, Vincenzo. Amazing. Yeah, Mike, Amazon sucks right now. Not doing much. She got upgraded to 2800 and she's going to run. Vincenzo says absolutely. New highs of the day on SPG now up 2.5%, 71.35. She's going for $72 now. Bro, that guy that just made that $2.5 million trade, think about that. Yesterday's when we got in our first SPG trade, right? He made that freaking call, $2.5 million. That guy just doubled his freaking money. So now, that's a different level than myself too, you know? I mean, that's probably a hedge fund, you know? But imagine putting $2.5 million and then a day later you have a $3 million net profit, you know? Like,
Those hedge funds are really gonna drive up this rebound to 27,000 fast.
yeah, absolutely. Look at SPG now, going for 72, 71.40. Almost up 13% today. The underlying stock there. Unbelievable. Today, what we got to do on our lunch today, I want to set up a massage. Nails, we need a massage, man. We've been driving, we've been on that boat, that boat on the sea. My back is so stiff. So massage, nails, haircut. 71.50 SPG, up 12.69%. 12.9%. Wow, look at it go, bro. Look at it go. That new SPG trade's now up almost 20%. Man. There goes Hilton again. Up 3,000 on Hilton today alone.
They're asking if we're gonna do a wax too.
A wax?
Tyler goes nails.
Yeah, my toenails there, even the mate on this. So I wore my sandals on that one. I took it off. He goes, man, when was the last time you had your nails cut?
Remember,
My toenails are really long. I don't cut my toenails.
Remember that scene on Dumb and Dumber? When
Oh yeah, yep. SPG's now up over 13%, 71.80. SPG trade we just got today is up 22% now. 22. I'm up almost $6,000 today already. Now, if Amazon could participate a little bit more, I could be up an easy 10 grand here by the end of the day. End of the day. Work back in the green. Look at SPG now at $72. It's up 13.3% now. Remember, we were just talking about it. It's like, wow, it's up 5% today. Remember this morning? What's that, like an hour ago?
Oh, Elias is killing it with a win.
Elias, have you been doing better since you took that private class with me? How are you doing with that? Wax. He says he's doing pretty good since taking the class. He's up $9,000 on win. Wow. He took that. He took that class. You know, little better executions, entries, exits, trade system. He had some personal questions that went well. He's doing great. There goes Visa climbing off that 50. Amazon 24.71. Qs are having a nice run here. Qs are looking to do breakout momentum again. What's that noise here? Is that telling me?
To the top left. No?
The battery's dying. Do we have the battery charger for the iPad Pro?
Bring it. That's that.
I think this iPad Pro is a waste of $2,000. No, actually, for car ride. So yesterday I was driving the Porsche up from Fort Lauderdale. We have the data package on the iPad Pro there, so it's nice watching movies while we're driving. Well, we're not movies. We're watching stuff about the market, shows and stuff.
Through the country.
87.18. Hilton's up 4.3% today. That has another 4% move. That Hilton trade's going to be up 100% tomorrow. Amazon's trying to break out there. If Amazon could break above 24.75, we'll have a nice run, in my opinion, on that one. But right now, she's just not doing too much. There goes Hilton again. 87.31, 4.5%, 4.6%, 87.42 Hilton. Wow, look at that go. Up almost 4,000 now on the Hilton trades. Alone. SPG still climbing off that 10. Look at how SPG, you see how every time it retraced, it came down to that 10. Breakout, it retraced down to that 10. Broke out, retraced down to that 10. Broke out, retraced down to that 10. Broke out, retraced down to the 10, and breakout momentum again. And that's our trade plan and trade system. It doesn't get any easier. Yeah.
So if you want
Yeah,
to
don't jinx us. Look at 1020 cross coming up on Hilton again. I'd love to see that next big climb there on Hilton and get up to $90. I really think Hilton's going to be at $90 by the end of the week. Next week, $100 Hilton. Or at least by the June 19th, easy $100 on Hilton. She's only at 87 now, so still some opportunity. And then once these protesters are done, just imagine if the protests weren't going on. The pop, we're having a nice climb. You know, the Dow's up 330 points, Nasdaq's up 55, S&P's up 30. Could you imagine now if the protests weren't going on? If, you know, like, man. Oh. A lot of opportunity here. Eddie says he hasn't heard me on video. Is that good? Casey, could you hear me? Yeah? Yeah, tell Eddie. Elias says, Tyler, I'm having a good couple of weeks. Tyler says, sounds it, LOL. Elias is up 9,000 today. That's nice. Tesla, Bank of America, Disney. Let's take a look at Disney. Disney's opening up soon again, right? July 11th.
Universal opens up on Friday.
Really?
Yeah.
Universal's not open? Oh, so our office is right across the street from Universal. Once that opens, that traffic's going to be horrible again.
We should do
Disney, 121.
Right.
What's that?
We should go right outside Universal Friday. See how that is.
We could trade off the iPad Pro.
Broadcast live.
Let's do it. So write this down there on the notepad. Say, let's do a test. See how it is to trade off the iPad Pro and whatever we could do there.
We'll do it very much because it's day trade Friday.
Oh, yeah, yep. Look at Amazon's going. Breakout momentum starting on Amazon, guys, here. So I could already tell you right now, for me, with the trade plan, it looks like Amazon has seen its lows today. She's breaking out now, 24.72. Let's see her break out here. Got the 1020 cross. SMAs are still adjusting there. So we got a few more minutes before we get those confirmations on Amazon, but it's looking good. Q's breaking higher. Visa needs to break above 197.25 to break out of that consolidation. Disney, 121. I'd love to pick up some Disney, actually. 124. I'm going to pick up some Disney, I think. Absolutely. For the July Expo, No brainer. I forget what we did on our last Disney trade, though. Did we take a loss on the last Disney trade, or what did we have a gain? The last one, yeah.
Trade challenge, we got that one.
Oh, the trade challenge we made a gain on, right? No, that's what we got to do is find another trade challenge trade set up. Hilton's not in the trade challenge, right? No? Work in the green, Hilton in the green, Spidge in the green.
Speech.
Let's see, Disney, we'll go with the July 17th, 120. $6, that's not bad at all, not bad.
Definitely, the pie has been expanding for several years now, but it suddenly took an upward spurt, and that is, of course, because of the stay-at-home nature of the situation. So, yes,
So Disney, that's live, that order here. There goes Spidge again. Simon Property Group, SPG. 71.70, big breakout off that 20. Let's change that order there on Disney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.2 now on Diz. All right, I'm in on Disney. Your execution is at 6.16. Disney, July 17th, 120 strike call. Now, here's the thing. So the Disney trade, what we're going to say in that alert there, let me put up Disney right here, and then we're going to be done for the day here, the morning session. Disney trade, we're going to say A, it's an event trade, but it's also following our trade plan, and it's using the 10-day simple moving average as support. So a close with candle and body below the 10, that's going to be the exit. Or we could use the 20, which would be around, 114. 114 is the max. 50% max stop loss. 20, 10. I'm going to be using the 10. I think
The 10, what's the price at the 10?
price at the 10, let's say 118. My target on Disney is going to be 130. So we picked up the...
Calling Lake Michigan Credit Union.
Ooh.
Operator lobby and now open.
Guys, whoever's calling the credit union, you might want to mute your microphone.
President is trying to handle it as well as he can. I'd like to clarify that my interest in backing the Republican Party is because of my view on socialism. I have grown up in the socialist country, and I know what socialism means and what the terrible life results from that. So it's my choices and ideological choice, and I do not think that
What a nice day today in the accounts. SPG still running. Wow, look at that. Huge run. Alrighty, guys, it is 11. Gonna head off here now, and we're gonna be live again at 2 p.m. If you guys are not a member yet, those of you that are on YouTube, if you're not a member, you could come join us. We're gonna be live 2 o'clock. To join our live Zoom trade or live program at 2, just click this button right here, and you'll have access to our live afternoon session from 2 to 4 p.m. If you guys want to join, you could click here, join now. And if you guys want to message us, down in the bottom right here, you'll see this Facebook icon that pops up there with Messenger. You could use that, message us, and you could ask us any questions you need. If you sign up for the Pro Trader Elite, which is a year membership for only $2,500, you could use promo code REOPEN, and that's going to give you 25% off. So it'll be like $1,850, $1,800 for the year, right around there. So 25% off. It'll be around $1,800 for the year, and that'll give you everything you need. Morning, afternoon, trade room, app. If you guys want to check out our app, here's our iOS and Android app. Make sure you guys are downloading the app. We give out really great notifications, app alerts, and this is free as long as you guys are a paid member. So download the app on your Google or iPhone, your Android, and make sure you guys come join us. And if you have any questions, like I said, you guys could feel free to go to homepage, any part on the page there, and at the bottom right, you'll see it's coming up now. Also, you guys will get access to our daily newsletter, upgrades, downgrades, target changes, stocks to watch there, any type of earnings that are coming out. You guys could print out our newsletter each day there. Looks great there. So down at the bottom, you guys could see up in the top here, Facebook. You could click on that. Down at the bottom here, I think I exited that out. That's why it's not popping back up again. But you can go up here, click the Facebook icon. That'll take you to our Facebook business page, and you can feel free to message us there if you guys have any questions. Alrighty, guys. Great day today. Great morning. Looking forward to the afternoon. Market's starting to break out there. There goes Visa taking off nicely. Nice pop there on Visa. Amazon's still on the climb. Q's taking off there. Disney's continuing to run there. Nice pop on Disney. Looking good, guys. I will see you guys at 2 p.m., all right? Take care. Have a great day, and see you later.